The future of healing, a HIT-powered health system. 1. Home-based HIT stations. Every home has a small, efficient immersion tub designed for HIT use. Pre-packaged mineral kits and programmable electrode settings adapt to individual health needs, detox, regeneration, immune reset, emotional balance, etc. Families use it like a daily or weekly ritual, just like brushing teeth or taking a shower. 2. Clinics powered by HIT. HIT centers offer customized immersion therapy based on your symptoms, history, and bioelectric profile. You walk in for inflammation, chronic fatigue, depression, or even long COVID, and instead of meds, you're immersed in a tailored ionic environment with tracked current and mineral ratios. Sessions are paired with light therapy, sound therapy, and biofeedback to create a full nervous system reset. 3. Emergency reset protocols. Instead of reaching for pills or surgeries first, people go through 3-day HIT detox protocols for immune flare-ups, histamine storms, infections, or anxiety attacks. Natural disasters or epidemics. Mobile HIT immersion trailers are deployed for rapid immune support and detox. 4. Education plus access. Schools and workplaces have HIT rooms for stress recovery, circulation, and mental clarity. Children learn early how to manage their bioelectric field, track their detox cycles, and understand their body's real signals. No more band-aid fixes. People are taught how to heal, not just cope. 5. Data-driven personal health evolution. Everyone has a HIT journal or app tracking symptoms, purging signs, mineral responses, and electrode effects. AI models help refine each person's settings over time, from autism support to aging support to chronic disease recovery. Long-term HIT use becomes part of preventative medicine, not just emergency care. Point 6. A shift in culture. Wellness is no longer aesthetic. It's energetic, grounded, and inner. People don't chase hype or trends. They return to the tub when they need to reset. Slowness, stillness, and electric alignment replace noise, pills, and fads.